Changes are a natural part of the design process. In this example, the cutout on this screen rim needs to be a separate feature to support multiple configurations in the assembly. This change is easy. We can use contours of the existing sketch and create the features required for this change. With SOLIDWORKS, changes like this are simple and easy. As expected, the mounting holes update automatically. However, the fillets fail. The edge references have changed even though the geometry is identical to the original design. A new streamlined workflow in SOLIDWORKS 2020 will now automatically repair these missing fillet edges, speeding the design chain process and keeping you focused on your design.